In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a soft glow effect for text in After Effects using drop shadows. Let's get started. First, open up After Effects and make sure you have your composition ready. For this effect, a thin font works particularly well, so go ahead and select the Type tool. Choose a thin font and type out your text. Once you've done that, align your text to the center of the composition. Now, the concept here is pretty straightforward. We'll add a drop shadow to the text layer, then duplicate it multiple times, increasing the softness of each subsequent drop shadow. This will create a smooth glow effect around your text. Let's begin by going to the Effects and Presets panel. In the search bar, type Color Control and drag it onto your text layer. Next, search for Drop Shadow and add that to the same layer. We want the color of the drop shadow to match whatever color we choose in the Color Control effect. To do this, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and left-click on the stopwatch icon next to the shadow color in the drop shadow effect. This will open up an expression editor. Now, use the Pick Whip tool, the little spiral icon, to link the shadow color to the Color Control's color. This means that any color you choose in the Color Control will automatically apply to the drop shadow. Let's test that. Open the Color Control effect, click on the color box, and choose a color, like purple. When you click OK, you'll see that the drop shadow's color has changed to match. Now, it's time to adjust the drop shadow settings. Set the opacity to 100%, the distance to 0, and the softness to 10. This is the base of our glow effect. Next, we're going to duplicate this drop shadow multiple times, each time increasing the softness. Select the drop shadow effect in the Effects panel and press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. For the second drop shadow, set the softness to 50. Then, duplicate it again. Set this one's softness to 100. Continue duplicating and adjusting the softness values as follows. Fourth drop shadow, softness 200, fifth drop shadow, softness 400, sixth drop shadow, softness 1000, seventh drop shadow, softness 2000, and reduce the opacity to 50%. Now you should have 7 drop shadows in total, each with progressively softer edges. This layering of soft shadows creates a beautiful soft glow effect that resembles neon lighting. If you want to change the glow color, simply go back to the Color Control effect and pick a new color. And that's it! You've now created a soft, glowing text effect in After Effects using drop shadows. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.